How to nominate an agent for online business services. 1. Set up your mygovernment.id.
You can set up your MyGov ID in 3 easy steps. 1. Download the app. 2. Enter your personal details including your name, date of birth and email address. And 3. Verify your identity to increase your identity strength. Increasing your identity strength better protects your identity and allows you to access more services. MyGov ID has 3 identity strengths: basic, standard and strong. Once you enter your personal details, you'll have a basic identity strength, which gives you access to limited services. To reach a standard identity strength, you'll need to verify identity documents, like your Australian driver's license, your passport, or your Medicare card. These documents are verified in real time against existing government records. You can also choose to increase your MyGov ID identity strength to strong through a one-off face verification process. The app scans your face to check that you're a real person and the right person. Face verification happens then and there and is only needed at the time you set up your MyGov ID. The image captured during this process is checked against existing government records and it's not used for surveillance. So, for easy and secure access to government online services, download and set up the free MyGov ID app today.
2. Link your MyGovernment ID to your ABN in Relationship Authorization Manager. If your ABN is linked in Relationship Authorization Manager, go to Step 3. Go on the Relationship Authorization Manager (RAM) website of the government to create the link. Log into IAM and ensure to select Link My Business. Select the checkbox to provide your express consent to be redirected to the ATO to find your business or businesses. Then select Continue. Add your personal postal or residential address as held by the ATO and select Continue. Select the right business or businesses you want to link and select Continue. Next is to enter an email address. This can be different to the one used to set up your digital identity and select Send Email to receive a verification code. Lastly, enter the verification code and select Verify and Continue. Ensure to review the summary of the selected business or business. In doing so, select the checkboxes to declare you understand and accept and provide your express consent, then select Submit. Finally, a message will display confirming your business is successfully linked. You can then add another business or continue. 3. Log into online services for business. Once your ABN is linked in the Relationship Authorization Manager, use your MyGovernment ID to log into online services for business. 4. Nominate your agent in online services for business. Ensure that your agent has provided you with their name or registered agent number. Once you are on the online services for business homepage, select Profile, then Agent Details. At the Agent Nominations feature, select Add. Once you are on the Nominate Agent screen, go to Search for Agent. Type your agent's registered agent number or name and check that the agent's details are correct. Complete the declaration and select Submit. Once this has been done, it is important to notify your agent that you've nominated them, as they have 28 days to action the nomination before it expires. You can provide your agent with a copy of the nomination confirmation, which you can print or save as a PDF. You will see your agent's details listed under Agent Nominations. 5. Tell your agent you've nominated them.